You want to know the #1 way to fix most vocal problems instantly? Stay tuned and I'll show you a quick fix that will revolutionize the way you sing. For the best coaching for making it as a singer or actor, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. Drum roll, please. The one way to improve your overall vocal technique right now is to use false vocal folds retraction. Your false vocal folds are located just above your true vocal folds or cords and provide and help keep food and other objects from going down your windpipe and into your lungs. The false vocal folds also help create inner core pressure when you're doing strenuous activities like lifting something heavy, going to the bathroom, or giving birth. When you're singing actively and doing something strenuous like going for a high note, your body can interpret this as hard work and will automatically constrict your false vocal folds. This constriction of your folds will add stress to your tone and limit your ability to sing high. Have you heard of false vocal cord or false vocal cord retraction? Let me know in the comments below. So here's how you can fix false vocal cord restriction. You can do so by pretending to sob or silently laugh. When you do either one of those, you will find extra space in your throat. Once you're able to feel this openness, try singing a few notes while keeping the false vocal folds open. This is called retraction. Here are some other prompts that can help you feel false vocal folds retraction. Inhale for a yawn or a sneeze. Get a good idea but can't tell anyone what you're imagining. Or make believe you're swallowing something huge. One of the ways you can tell if you're doing it right is by listening to your breathing and putting your fingers in your ears. When you breathe normally with your fingers in your ears, you will hear the air flowing in and out. When you retract the false vocal cords, your breathing will be silent. Retracting the false vocal folds tends to be an aha moment for most of my advanced singers who come because of various vocal problems. Do you need help becoming a better singer or launching your music career? Join the Soundcheck Club, where I have monthly seminars and newsletters on how to make it in the biz. And remember my motto, when you count the stars, I hope you count yourself first.